Peeps, we're back. We are back at Universal Orlando Resort. We are here all weekend, and today what we're going to do is we're going to bring you around the parks, or in today's video, we're going to bring you around the parks, and we're going to talk about the best things to do at Universal Orlando Resort. Our favorite rides, our favorite experiences, the things that you should definitely fit into your plan if you're here. In no particular order, I'm going to start with what's right behind me, the water taxi. Even if you're not staying in a Universal Orlando Resort hotel, I definitely recommend taking the water taxi. It is an awesome, fun, calm, scenic experience that you can take. Even if you're just coming to the parks, you can take a boat to one of the resorts, get lunch or dinner at one of the resorts. Exactly. Yeah, grab a drink, that kind of thing. The water taxi is just such a cool experience, way cooler than riding the bus. So definitely recommend it, even if you're not staying on site. Next up, attend a special event at Universal Orlando Resort. So we are here, as you can see, during Mardi Gras season, which runs until April timeframe. The dates are right here on the screen, depending on when you watch the video. It may be over by now. But Universal Orlando Resort has a ton of great events, including Mardi Gras, but of course our favorite Halloween Horror Nights. They also have Grinchmas and other festivals throughout the year. It is probably the best time to experience the park because you get more than you would just get if you came on a normal day. You get additional food experiences, haunted houses, decorations, things like that. So if you're going to attend the park, try to plan around a cool event like Mardi Gras.
Yeah, so we need to debrief that whole experience here.
Veloci Coaster is next on the list. Jen's first time riding Veloci Coaster.
And I love a coaster. I think for like most of my life I've ridden coasters. That is probably the most epic freaking coaster I've ever ridden in my life. You come out of the seat. Dude was like, the bar overhead needs to be tighter. So he's like, wham! And I'm like, okay, it's no joke. Because you're going around in circles, you're going so fast, and I love a coaster that starts out fast.
Yeah.
It starts out fast, and then it gets faster. You literally do every movement there is to do on a coaster. That's what's amazing about it.
They didn't even pay us to use the word epic, and she used it. Universal has some, they don't have a ton of coasters, but they have some great ones. But out of the three, and so right now they've got Mummy, they've got Hagrid's, and they've got this, and Hippogriff, which I don't really count. But as far as like adult coasters, Veloci Coaster is where it's at. There will be a wait. It's worth the time.
It is worth it. Yeah.
Sample some food. I'm here during the Mardi Gras season, so there are food booths all throughout the park. You can see Austria behind me. There's China over there. There's all sorts of different food options available. Now, Universal Orlando has a ton of food options, and a lot of them are like your generic theme park options, but they have great restaurants like Mythos, award-winning restaurants, and if you're here during one of those festivals that I mentioned earlier in the video, you'll see food booths like this, whether it's here during Mardi Gras or even during Halloween Horror Nights. They have a ton of themed food booths, so you can sample a bunch of different kinds of foods, and it's a lot of fun. They usually have fun Instagram and TikTok fun-worthy dishes to try, and it's just a way to try something new. E.T. Adventure. E.T. Adventure is one of, if not the most iconic ride here at Universal Studios Florida. And if you've never ridden it, you have to ride it at least once. It is just a very sweet, heartwarming dark ride. even if you've never seen the movie. I don't know. I don't know if it'll make sense to you if you haven't seen the movie, but you got to ride E.T. Adventure. You've got to get a giant pink donut from Lard Lad Donuts here in Springfield. Even if you're not a Simpsons fan, I absolutely am. I grew up with the Simpsons. The giant pink donut is just an iconic food dish here at Universal Studios. It's huge. Sometimes it's yummy, but it's still worth getting every time. And finally, try something that you haven't done before.
Yeah.
I know for people like us who come to the park a lot, it feels like you've done everything, but Jen has never done the Kang and Kodos Twirl and Hurl.
So we'll see if I hurl after I twirl.
It's not a hurler. It's safe. You can ride it. If you haven't ridden it, rid it. Ride it, because that'll be your new thing.
Yeah.
We're going to twirl and hurl. See, you're not going to hurl. You'll be twirling. I mean, I guess that's a twirling. All right, here we go. Yeah. Well, this is your first time.
We're going up, people.
Oh, are we going up? Okay, we're going up. I think you're supposed to aim the spaceship at these signs.
Oh.
So, like, you're supposed to be level with them.
Knock it on.
Yeah, we got him. All right. Jen wants to debrief on Kang and Kodos Twirl and Hurl.
We twirled, we did not hurl.
I told you there would be no hurling.
There was no hurling. It was very fun. You get to go, obviously, around, and then you're supposed to, like, sort of have your spaceship at the height of these characters on the old
and it hits the
tentacles.
yeah.
And they go, wah!
Now, there's a sign behind me that it closes at 8. I really think this ride is more fun at night because you can see it all lit up and stuff. So definitely recommend hitting that. Hitting that one at night. All right, peeps, that does it from us here, talking about our favorite things to do and what you should do too to maximize your fun at Universal Orlando Resort. We did everything. We had so much fun. We rode rides. We tried new things. We got good food, and hopefully
shows. We strolled around.
Yeah, shows and walking around and meeting people.
Checking stuff out.
Yeah, we had a great time, and hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up on it. It really helps us out to know that you want more Universal content. And if you want to see that content, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you're notified when we release it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.